Hello everyone, welcome back. This is the second part of my previous video. Those who have watched the drawing part of this video, welcome to this video and thank you very much for watching the previous one. I'm using Stabilo Carbothello chalk pastel pencils and I have started painting with the eyes. To me, eyes are really important part of a portrait. I have never used these pencils before like this actually, and they feel really nice and smooth on this paper. I think it depends a lot on which paper you are using. The smooth ones are best for using with these pencils. As it is a black paper, I am working from dark to light. These pencils are working best when they are quite sharp. I really like the way they get blended. These are really easily blendable. At this point, I'm working on light and dark together and kind of blending these two. I usually choose bigger sheets of paper when I'm going for a portrait, but I think this is a nice size too. These pencils feel really nice and I think I should use them more. There are other things to blend with, but I really like blending with my hands. This is the portrait of my friend and she really liked the ones I have made inspired by Fauvism and she wanted something similar. But I started this portrait very differently and I think I will add some crazy colors in the end. I know it looks creepy right now, but bear with me. It will look different. I love how many layers you can work in with these pencils. I'm definitely going to use them more. Now I have started using my soft pastels, pastel sticks, and these are also super blendable. I love drawing the eyes. I have tried using a Q-tip or cotton bud for blending, but it didn't work at all. It just took off the color of the surface on that part. So if you have watched till now, then thank you very much and I hope you continue watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed yet, then please subscribe because that inspires a lot. For more of my artworks, visit my Facebook page and my Instagram account, Shuta's Universe. Let me know in the comments section what kind of art videos and art material related videos you want me to make for you on Shuta's Universe. I will come back with another video real soon. Till then, take care and never stop being creative.